Hello and welcome back. Now in this video today I want to show you that the targets we have put in the previous week were hit. And I also want to show you slides from the previous videos and see the price development. So here we are on the final chart. You see here I had issued my first signal on the 31st of January. I said the price will go down here. This was in the second day of the downward cycle. If we go back now a little bit, at that time we were at this point at 192.79.80. So back then, I said the price will go down, and I showed you we are in a downward channel. If you want to see the video again, I will leave a description. In description, also the link to this video. Then again, the same on the 30 minutes chart. Here I had showed you possible price developments on the 1 hour chart. This was a little bit later, it was on the 3rd of February. I marked here also the first entry price where I put the signal. So maybe I duplicate the arrows here. So here was the first signal on the 31st of January, and here was the second signal. You see here we are in a downward channel, but on the 3rd of February, I couldn't know exactly if the price will go down to here, 287.4, because at that moment it could have been that the price develops like this in a falling wedge. So it could have been that the price goes only until here and then it stops and goes back up. For this reason, I said on the 3rd of February that I will move my target from prior 187.4 to 190.4 because I wanted to make sure I am not staying too long in a price development where the price just goes up and down and I don't take any profits. So again, on the 31st of January, I said the price will go down a lot until 187.4. And then on the 3rd of January, I changed my take profit to 190.4. Here we are on the 4th of February, again with the signals issued on the 31st of January and on the 4th of January. If we see here the price development on the 4th of January, it was still going in range, so we had to wait a little bit more. Down here are the days for counting the cycle. And we come to our last slide and the most important one, where you see the whole development, the whole trading cycle and the trading days. So basically what I did here, I started my signal from the second day of the cycle based on the assumption I noticed in the past that each cycle has around 7 days, plus minus 1 day, and it could also be that the cycle gets doubled if it's very strong. In this case, we see here we started a trade in the second day, and we see our first target was hit on the 6 days here. This is 6th day of the cycle, and it would be 6/5 of our trading. So if you started a trade back here in the 2nd day of the cycle, you would have taken the take profit target here on the 6th of February. I showed you in the video from the 3rd of February that I moved the target a little bit more up to 190.4, which was hit on the 6th of February here. If you would have kept the prior target I put here on the 31st of January, then you would have taken here 188.4 would have been taken also on the 6th of February, but a little bit later. So these are the trading days here, the cycle, and these are the possible profits you could have made or you made with the targets I stated. Again, you see, patience is extremely important in Forex trading because on the very short run, you might get the impression that um, the trading bias is getting changed, but this is only fake. If you would have changed here to moving up, you would have lost. So you have to stay in the trade a few days longer until the cycle gets to play out. So you see here we would have made around 500 pips from here to here. So from 192 point around 57 to 187.4. Depending on when you entered, you could have made around 500 pips. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Forex ideas. Thanks.